The 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid continues Kia's push into the electrified future, offering a smart balance between fuel efficiency, advanced technology, and stylish design. Building on the strengths of the previous model years, the new Sportage Hybrid refines its formula with minor updates that enhance its appeal to eco-conscious drivers and families alike. Exterior design. The 2025 Sportage Hybrid stands out with its bold and futuristic exterior. The signature boomerang-shaped LED daytime running lights and aggressive grille give it a distinctive, modern look. Kia offers sleek body lines, a slightly more aerodynamic profile, and a range of fresh color options. Standard 17-inch alloy wheels, with optional 18 or 19-inch upgrades, complement the adventurous yet upscale feel of the SUV. Interior. Inside, the Sportage Hybrid emphasizes comfort and high-tech convenience. It features an expansive dual-screen setup, a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster seamlessly connected to a 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. High-quality materials, available leather upholstery, and a smartly designed cabin create an upscale vibe. Rear passengers enjoy generous legroom, and the cargo space remains among the largest in the hybrid SUV segment. Performance. The 2025 Sportage Hybrid is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of around 227 horsepower. It offers brisk acceleration, smooth power delivery, and impressive fuel efficiency, around 3843 mpg combined, depending on trim and drivetrain. Front-wheel drive is standard, with all-wheel drive available for those seeking extra confidence in all conditions. The ride is quiet and composed, making it ideal for both city commuting and long highway drives. Safety features. Kia continues its commitment to safety with an impressive list of standard features under the Kia Drive Wise suite. This includes forward collision avoidance assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross-traffic alert. Higher trims add features like a surround view camera system and remote smart parking assist, giving drivers additional peace of mind. Market position. In 2025, the Sportage Hybrid remains a strong competitor among compact hybrid SUVs, taking on rivals like the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid, Honda CR-V Hybrid, and Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. It stands out with its bold styling, excellent value, roomy interior, and one of the best warranties in the industry. For buyers seeking a practical, stylish, and fuel-efficient SUV, without sacrificing performance or comfort, the Sportage Hybrid is a compelling choice. Conclusion. The 2025 Kia Sportage Hybrid blends efficiency, technology, and striking design into a well-rounded package. Whether you prioritize fuel savings, modern features, or simply want a dependable and stylish SUV, the Sportage Hybrid continues to prove itself as one of the smartest picks in its class.